Hey guys, so gold has had an insane 2025, and earlier this week it actually hit a record high of over $3,000 per ounce. But is gold a good asset to hold? How much of it should we have in our portfolio, and what's the best way to buy it in Singapore? I'm going to break it down for you. It might surprise some investors to know that gold has actually outperformed major stock indices this century and is up over tenfold since 2000. That has made gold the best performing asset class of the 21st century so far. Given that gold is more of a defensive asset, we should be measured in how much of our portfolio we have in it. However, I believe that a lot of investors are still under allocated to gold. According to traditional portfolio allocation models, you should have no more than 15% of your overall portfolio in gold. Many other alternative asset managers also believe in a range of 5 to 10% of your overall allocation. So if we were to strike a balance, I'd say around 10% of your overall portfolio in gold would be a sensible level to have. Okay, so what's the best way to get investment exposure to gold if you're based in Singapore? As I've always said, if you're a non-US investor, you should be investing into UCITS ETFs. And in the gold sphere, that means the iShares Physical Gold ETC. That's listed in London under the ticker SGLN. But if you want the US dollar share class, the ticker is actually IGLN. As we can see, IGLN has done very well so far in 2025 and is up nearly 17%. How does that compare to US stocks? Well, it easily beats the S&P 500's return of negative 3.5% so far this year. You can invest into gold on the Singapore Exchange via the SPDR Gold ETF. One reason I don't actually like that ETF is the higher expense ratio of 0.4%. That makes it over 3 times as expensive as the iShares Physical Gold ETC listed in London. So there you have it, a quick breakdown of gold's recent performance, the fact that you should have anywhere from 5 to 15% of your portfolio allocated to gold, and the best way to buy exposure to gold in Singapore. For more personal finance, investing, and money hacks, give me a follow here or subscribe to my free weekly newsletter at timtalksmoney.com.